Linking your bank account to SentinelOne is a straightforward process that enhances your security and convenience. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your SentinelOne account. Log into your SentinelOne account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the payment settings, find the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to start entering your bank details. Step 4. Enter bank information. Provide the required bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your SentinelOne account. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support for assistance.